Creating an exercise. By the end of this video, you will be able to create an exercise task according to a WPS, configure help guides displayed while welding, customize scored parameters, copy and paste a task, identify modules, units, and types of tasks. Using a module that has been previously created, let's create a new unit and a new exercise. For this case, we will create a stick exercise to weld a carbon steel T-joint in a 2F position with an electrode 7018. Keep in mind that to be able to edit the WPS of a workpiece in the teacher software, all the parameters must be specified. The system guides you step by step through the intuitive process. Leaving a parameter undefined will allow the student to select it on the simulator. Enter a name for the exercise. Proceed to enter or select the parameters according to the WPS. Required parameters are marked with red, and all others are optional. The Passes page will be available only if we specify all the parameters in General Info. Next, click Continue. Select all the parameters according to the WPS. Select the process, consumable, weld pattern, and sequence. Additionally, we can add more passes to the weld. Select difficulty level, and modify the equipment settings and the technique parameters, target, minimum and maximum values. After we completed the WPS, click Continue to view a summary of the selection and click Continue. At the Scoring and Guides page, we can assign a passing score. Select the equipment settings and technique parameters that you wish to score and the guides you wish the student to see during the exercise execution. After we are finished with our selection, click Done. The exercise task is now listed in the Content side under the unit we just created. We will find default AugmentedArc content and in the future content created by yourself to be easy to copy and paste in a module we have created to enrich our curriculum. We will copy an exercise and rename it. From the list of modules, find and view the default module called SMAW and click on its magnifying glass icon to view the module in the Content side. Find the SMAW-1G-bead-on plate exercise and click on the three dots next to its magnifying glass icon. Select Copy Exercise. Rename the exercise SMAW-1G-bead-on plate-CS for carbon steel -7018. Select the module and unit where you want to copy to, in this case SMAW Basics, then click Copy. To verify that the exercise has been copied, find the module that you copied to, SMAW Basics, and click on the pencil icon to edit the module. Now, if we want to change the order of a unit or a task, all we have to do is position our cursor on top of the item we want to move. A hand icon will appear. Then click to drag and drop to where you need it. A green rectangle will show you where you are about to drop it. Notice that modules have a folder icon and are underlined in orange. Units have a folder icon and underlined in green. Theory tasks have a book icon. Quiz tasks have a graduate cap icon. And exercises will have the icon that represents the welding process configured in the exercise. For additional information on setting up your AugmentedArc welding training system, see your owner's manual or visit millerwelds.com.